Morning, guys. It is February 20. What is today? I think it's like the 24th. All right, it's the 24th, guys, and today I'm gonna go clean up or shovel out a roof, you guys. I gotta go shovel out a roof. I'm gonna check on the girls, see how they're doing. Yeah, you guys, March. I don't know how March snow season is gonna come, but I'm hoping it's gonna be a good one. Go out with a bang, you know. Boss here, I gotta turn off the music.
Have fun.
Morning.
I get to go to the dentist.
Fun. I'd rather go shoveling. So what's the plan on doing stuff on this one?
I think
Do
maybe
all
I'm
the
just gonna put them
samples?
both
Yeah,
onto both the floppy and this.
right. Do
Or
samples
USB.
on these and then,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
just because I don't have the flat set up yet either. So
right.
you good?
Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Yeah, you did.
a lot of fun. When my friend came down from the city.
You have friends up in the cities?
Well, it's kind of the cities. It's Faribault. I call it the cities because it's far enough away.
I hope it snows.
I know. I hope it snows. Hope I get minute. Okay, where's that order for that one guy? I want to sign it quick and read it. What it say?
He wants a large
Gray?
white. Was it gray?
No, it should say gray.
White.
It looks white, but
Oh.
it should have
Yep,
description.
a large gray. Do you have a large gray?
It's not purple gold.
That is.
That's dark gold. That's charcoal.
That's not charcoal. Charcoal is like this. This is charcoal.
Yeah, doesn't it look like that?
No, I don't think so.
I think, remember you were a little bit color blind?
No, I passed all my colorblind tests. I'm just blind.
And all the hearing tests.
Okay, I might as well
They're real intense tests.
sign that
Yeah.
quick. Alright guys, let's sign this for one of you guys, clients or customers. There you go. Got a lot of hats to clean.
There we go, fresh off the presses.
Yeah.
Do we all want to be on the same
No, you
side?
can sign it that side. Yep, stretch it.
I'm gonna sign it right on the belly button.
Okay, that is kind of weird.
Yep, that's alright.
That looks
Yep.
like a little kid's writing. I realized signing fabric was that difficult. Now you have
No?
yours has to look as crappy
Yeah.
as ours. You gotta have yours all nice.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the ladder, throw it in the back of my truck. I better check oh yeah, one of those small, okay, scoop shovels there. Oh shoot, how am I gonna get that ladder up there? It's a long ladder. Alright, I wonder if I should just take that one. I think I should be able to get up with that one. You guys, one of these days I'd like to do a more, oh my god, that's flat, guys. Oh man, I gotta pump that up, look like a lowrider. A flat tire on that. But I want to show you guys this new, I didn't talk much about it last year, but I want to talk more about it. This new Predator Pro 7000. So we will be using more of that. And this guy, it's good. Nothing's wrong with it. It's good. It's great, you guys. But this is the older Bobcat. And so this coming season, you guys, I want to talk more about this and then give you guys a 2020 trailer setup video that I want to do. So, and then this fall, we're going to hopefully get rid of this Simplicity. and get a bagger system for one of these. So that way we're officially all Bobcat, you know. So that is the plan, you guys. That is the... Alright, we'll throw the ladder in the back of the truck. And we should be good to go. Got the snow off, and I'm gonna see if I can scrape some of that ice off. Oh, that was a good about 6 inches of snow on that end, and it's giving me a workout. You know, the sun is pretty warm. This will the sun will help melt this and get most of the snow and ice off of this. Alright guys, so there you have it. We're done. That's just solid ice there, around there. But the pressure is off of it. Should be able to melt since we're gonna have a couple nice warm days here. And so should be good. Alright guys, so let's fold this down and take everything back and go back to the office. maybe about an inch or so is ice. So we got most of it off.
That's just fine, and
Okay.
I suppose it's gonna snow, but the guy was gonna come and look at my crop.
Yep.
Then we got that bitter cold Saturday.
Yeah.
Then we got the blizzard Saturday.
Yeah.
And, no, if the sun takes it off,
Yeah.
I'll have him come, otherwise we might have to split it again, I don't
Okay.
know. I'll let you know.
Yeah.
I've got you on direct dial.
Yep. Just let me know.
Whether you like it or not.
We'll take care of it.
Thanks so much.
Yep. Thanks, Marge. For the next, I don't know, 10-day forecast, weather's gonna be like 40, 50s. And the snow is definitely gonna melt down. And it's gonna feel like we're gonna move into spring. But we don't wanna get too excited yet. We've seen this happen where it warms up, melts, and then boom, we get hit with snow again. So I'm not gonna get too excited. All right, guys, so I came across the street here to this other parking lot. Man, it is muddy. I should have put on my boots. I should have, guys. I should have. Switch this over. I'm sure some of you guys are already doing some spring cleanup about this time in different parts of different states, area. Comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys are already doing spring cleanup. Get all these pallets, boys. Pallets out. Go toss it. Take them to the garbage place and just clean it up. And so I've got all these trailers here. Get that. We're gonna get that ready for spring here too soon. For our lawn care. And then here's our equipment trailer, and there's our dump trailer over there. So we got all the trailers we need, guys. These got to get DOT'd again, I think. So shouldn't be too bad. Got to grease everything up, and I'm anxious, guys. I'm anxious for spring. I'm anxious to get rolling. All right, let's get my boots. Dude, I'm glad I bought these for the winter. They're the muck boots, chore version. Love them, love them. Insulated, warm. Get that on there. And waterproof, you know. So it is. Oh man. All right, we're good to go, boys. Since we shut down the laundromat, you guys, I still have a bunch of keys in this ring, and we locked up the shed, so I gotta figure out which key goes to what here. Frustrating. Not going. Ooh, got it, guys. Nice. I knew it. This used to be there's our fish tank right here. Fish tank there. You can see a bunch of junk in there. Need to get rid of that fish tank though. You know? Wow, guys, it's been a while since I've been in here. But yeah, this definitely can house some small equipment, you know, nothing big, major. Man. I love doing the bait shop, you guys, but it was a lot of work. I mean, I had so much irons in the fire. This would be great for somebody that's just wanting to earn some money, you know, a little extra. I thought about letting my little guy run it, but again, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, you guys. I've got him he's got his own pop machine, vending machine out here, so that's easier for him. Doesn't have to, you gotta go chase down the bait and keep an eye on the bait and all this. It's more work, you know, than anything, so So that's why I got rid of it. But yeah, I bought the shed just for that, and I don't need it anymore. So gotta clean all this out though. Oh man, I am gonna bring the skid, you guys, and push all that snow down that way, so we don't have such a big mess down there. Plus, water will drain out faster that way once it melts. We got tires here, and I think I can fit all my mowers in here once we clean all this out. Get rid of some of the stuff we don't need in here. Yeah, you guys, this shed, I think this shed cost me a little bit over $5 grand. 6 grand? 5 grand, 6 grand? All paid for, good. The other one's all paid for as well, which is nice. And now it's ours, you know. So, oh boy, I don't even know where to start, guys. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get out of here. That was my plan, is to clean all this out sometime and get the mowers in here. For now, let's go get the skid loader and push some of that snow in the back part of the shop here away down, and so it runs off.
You don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over.